Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Calendar plugin in Obsidian. Start by opening Obsidian and making sure you're in the vault where you want the calendar to live. Everything you install is scoped to the current vault, so having the right one open matters before you continue. Next, head to Settings. You'll find the gear icon in the lower left corner of the app. Click it to open the Settings panel. This is where Obsidian manages themes, core features, and all community add-ons. In the Settings sidebar, select Community Plugins. This section is where you can explore third-party extensions that expand Obsidian's capabilities. Because these are made by independent developers, Obsidian may display a quick note about third-party code and ask you to review what you install. That's normal. Just be sure to pick plugins you trust and skim their descriptions and reviews. Click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. A new window will appear with a search bar and a list of popular options. Type Calendar into the search bar. You'll see several choices appear. The main ones you'll encounter include Calendar, Full Calendar, Google Calendar, and Heat Map Calendar. Calendar is the classic option that adds a simple monthly calendar pane and pairs nicely with daily notes. Full Calendar provides a richer calendar view for planning and scheduling inside Obsidian. Google Calendar focuses on connecting with your Google events, and Heat Map visualizes your note activity over time, so you can see streaks and patterns. Think about how you work. If you want a quick monthly picker tied to notes, the standard calendar is great. If you need agenda-style planning, Full Calendar might fit better. Click on the option that matches your needs to open its details page. Here you can read the description, check the last update date, review screenshots, and confirm compatibility with your version of Obsidian. When you're ready, click Install to prepare the plugin. Obsidian will download it and prepare it in your vault. Once the install completes, you'll see an option to enable it right away. Click Enable to activate the plugin. After enabling, many calendar plugins add an icon to the left sidebar or a new view you can toggle from the ribbon. You can usually fine-tune behavior in the plugin settings, like linking to daily notes, adjusting how events display, or choosing which folder your notes should connect to. Taking a minute here to set those preferences early can save you a lot of cleanup later once you start using it daily. If you don't see the calendar immediately, open the command palette and search for the plugin's name to reveal or pin its view. That's it. You've installed and enabled your chosen calendar plugin in Obsidian. From here, the real benefit comes when you actually start pairing it with daily notes and small routines, even something as simple as opening it each morning to anchor your planning. Over time, it becomes less of a tool you check and more of a lightweight map of your days. Enjoy a more organized workflow and feel free to tweak settings as your note-taking evolves. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. See you in the next one.